Let's talk about how far AI has come and how it's pushing the boundaries of what we thought machines could do. Empathy. That's the frontier we never expected AI to cross. It'll crunch numbers, write essays, maybe even compose music, we said. But empathize? Never. Well, that barrier is starting to crumble. A collaborative team from MIT, NYU, and UCLA took on the challenge. Can AI models like GPT-4 actually demonstrate empathy? And more importantly, could they provide meaningful support in mental health contexts? Here's the setup. They started with Reddit. Yes, the same Reddit known for everything from life-changing advice to debates over memes. It's also a platform where people turn for help, especially with mental health struggles. And here's the reality. In the US, 150 million people live in areas with a shortage of mental health professionals. That's almost half the population with limited access to support, despite growing awareness of mental health challenges. So, the researchers got to work. They collected over 12,500 posts and 70,000 replies from mental health-related threads to build a dataset. Then, they brought in 2 licensed clinical psychologists for a blind test. Each psychologist reviewed paired responses to mental health posts, one written by a human, the other by GPT-4, without knowing which was which. The results? Stunning. GPT-4's responses weren't just on par with human replies, they were more empathetic and 48% better at nudging users toward positive behavioral changes. Let that sink in. AI, trained on vast datasets of human interactions, is outperforming us in providing compassionate, actionable support. Gabriel from UCLA, one of the researchers, admitted she was skeptical at first. She thought empathy was uniquely human. But when the data came in, it told a different story. AI wasn't just answering questions, it was connecting, sometimes better than we do. And honestly, it makes sense. AI is polite, consistent, and endlessly patient, qualities humans don't always bring to the table, especially online. We've all seen how hostile internet comments can get. AI doesn't have bad days. It doesn't snap at someone because it's tired or stressed. That said, the study revealed something important. GPT-4's empathy varied slightly across racial groups. Posts identifying the user as Black or Asian received responses that were 2% to 15% less empathetic than those from white users. While the disparity is subtle, it's a reminder that AI reflects the data it's trained on. These biases, though small, still need attention. The team plans to investigate why these variations exist. But here's the upside. Compared to human biases, AI's biases are easier to identify and fix. AI mirrors its training data, and with focused adjustments, those patterns can be reshaped. This is the crossroads we're at. AI is proving it can assist, empathize, and even help us grow. But as it evolves, so must our awareness of how we use it. Whether it's offering mental health support on Reddit or catching bias before it spreads, the potential here is enormous. And this is just the beginning.